Hello, all you beautiful people. So I'm fishing this morning and we caught some tuna. So I thought, what better to do than make some of my world famous Utila Ceviche. And where better to do it than this wonderful spot in Utila on the dock in the bay. So this morning I spent about 5 hours out there with my friend Larson, and like I said, we caught a couple of tuna. Let's take a look at what that looked like. We're back on the dock and we're gonna go at it. We're gonna make this ceviche. So let's go through the ingredients. All the essentials here, obviously. We start with that lime. We're gonna add a little bit of vinegar because what we actually do is cook the tuna in the acid. We got a little background music for you just to add to the ambiance. Moving on, we got onions, obviously, some peppers, some chilies, salt and pepper to taste, and of course rum. Actually, no, the rum's for me, so I'll be back. Can't forget the Coke. There we go, perfect. Cheers. Did you know sailors probably come in here used to chew on these things to stop from getting scurvy? Hence the term. Limey. I'll stick to keeping it in my rum. There you have it. Sun's going down. The rum's going down. We're gonna let the ceviche cook, and I'll get back to you with the result. All right, we're back. It's been a day. It's been cooking, so it should be awesome. This is what it looks like right now. I got some chips. I got some corn chips to try with it. I got some plantains. Let's see how it tastes. We gotta get tuna on there. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. That's it. I'm gonna eat some tuna. I'm gonna drink a little bit. Catch you guys later.